Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Just picked up the new iPhone XS Max from Apple, and this thing, as you can see, is sealed, ready to go. Inside here, stickers, get our SIM eject tool. Here is the phone. We get the wall charger, get the headphones, and you don't get the headphone to Thunderbolt dongle anymore. Also comes with the USB to Lightning. Let's get down to the phone itself. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This is the nicest iPhone I've ever seen. The sides are spectacular. Look at the metal finish. I got a little bit of fingerprints going on there. I gotta wipe it down. It is like a black chrome. I can't even describe how good this thing looks. Wow, look at that. It is just like, yeah, it's like a black chrome finish. Got the speakers down on the bottom, got the lightning port, SIM tray right here, the power unlock button. Got a couple fingerprints just from touching it. I would love to use this without a case just to be able to look at it, but that's just not practical. It's gonna get damaged if you do that. I mean, it is glass, so it's not gonna scratch, but if you drop it, God forbid, this is probably gonna shatter. The machining that went into this is just incredible. Like you can see right here, the lip, the machining on this is just unreal. The camera looks so much better than the older ones. Look at the size of the screen on this thing. It is just, the whole thing is the screen. It's literally like this much bigger. It's a hair bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus, but the whole thing is the screen. I gotta pop my SIM card in. I'm gonna come back and let you know what it looks like. So you gotta push this button right here on the right. It's the unlock button, and you wanna swipe up. Once you're here in the main menu, you just wanna go through the settings and just set everything up. Pick your language, pick where you're from, then just go through all the settings, go through all the setup. And then once you get your phone set up, it will look like this. Got this thing all hooked up, got it ready to go. Turned off face unlock and I turned off passcode unlock. Once you hit the button, you just swipe up. You can do that with no passcode if you want, so in case you were wondering. I got an amazing case. This is from Suitcase, Unicorn Beetle it's called. I did another video on it, and this thing is incredible. Really nice case. Put the top corners in first because they got the buttons, then do the bottoms. So here it is with the case, in case you were wondering. Really nice case to get. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Got a really nice lip on it in case you do drop it face first. So that's why I like getting a case that covers the whole thing and that has a lip all the way around it like this. And it has protective bumpers on the corners. I'm loving this phone. I can't believe how big the screen is. I mean, the whole face of the phone is the screen. This is definitely the iPhone that I've been waiting for. Like, I had the first Galaxy Note, had all the Android phones back in the day. I had the original Nexus 1. I had all the iPhones from the beginning. I mean, I pretty much had just about all the phones out there. And when I say that, I mean, I started getting unlocked Nokia phones back when they had like the N95 and the N73. I'm talking like way back in the day. I'm very used to the iPhones. I'm very used to the Android phones. And I am super digging this phone. I didn't think I'd be able to get used to having a phone without a home button, but honestly, if you've never used this before, and I've never used this is my first time. Swipe down from the middle or the top left and you get to your notifications. Swipe down from the top right and you get to Control Center. Easy as that. Say you have like Safari running, you just swipe up to get to home screen. And say you have, I don't know, Safari and messaging going. So now we have two apps. We'll swipe up halfway and just hold it. And you get all your running apps. So that's it. I mean, it's just really easy to use. In case you want to pick up the phone or the case that I use, I'm going to leave links down in the description. And again, make sure to subscribe to my channel to come back for more updates. Like this video, and let me know if you get any questions or comments in the section down below. I'll definitely be back with a lot more videos, so stay tuned.